Oh, look what I got. Oh, that was a direct hit. Today, Alex, what's up, buddy? You're going back to Idaho like tomorrow, right? So this is our last day riding around.
Yeah.
I asked you earlier what you wanted to eat before you went back to Idaho. What did you say?
Sizzlers.
You want to go to Sizzler. Out of all the places, totally my treat. You're choosing Sizzler.
Yep.
Okay. To be fair, I actually like Sizzler, and I'm happy to go. I don't know, what do you say we ride around for a little bit and then work up an appetite, and then we'll go hit that salad bar?
I'm down.
The donuts. Sizzler. Out of all the places, he wants to go to Sizzler. Son of a bitch, give me a drink. Oh, look what I got. Oh, that was a direct hit. Sizzler. How many people are watching this video like Sizzler? Curious, show of hands. Let me know in the comment section below. I think I just took a bug to the camera. I should pull over and investigate. Do I got shit on my camera?
No.
Holy shit! What is wrong with that guy? He's crazy, man. Not too long ago, this was all green. Now it's all dying off. Not gonna be too much longer for California's on fire again. He thought I was throwing something he doesn't even know that I don't have anymore. As usual, I'm going to tell you a little bit about a place that we're going to today. Sizzler. Sizzler was established in 1958 by Dell and Helen Johnson. The original name was called Dell Sizzler Family Steakhouse. There's currently around 250 stacked around the country, most of them being located on the west. So you guys on the East Coast, including the Caleb, you're missing out. No Sizzler for you. Cops, cops. No screwing around. Currently the headquarters for Sizzler, located in Mission Viejo, California, which is ironic because the Sizzler that we're going to is actually in Mission Viejo. So you know it's going to be good, right? That's about it. That's all I got for Sizzler. I like them. I don't go that often, but when I do, I always have a good time. I don't care for their steaks that much, but I do enjoy their salad bar tacos. Quick shout out to the patrons of the channel. Appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for your continued support. Helps out a lot. Thank you, sirs. Left? He wants to go left? I've never been left. I don't think I've been left. This could be an exciting adventure. Happy day, hiker. That guy was serious about his walking sticks. Speak softly. Oh, they're not gonna like this. My bike is so loud.
Me and my buddy in high school, we caught a turkey back here and we brought it home.
Did you eat
Let
it?
it go in the backyard and it vanished.
It just vanished?
Yeah.
It wound up on somebody's table for Thanksgiving. Tucker Wildlife Sanctuary. Is this like a zoo? In there. There's turtles and stuff in there. Oh, jeez. Ah! Did you see that thing? I saw eyeballs on that snake. That was a little close for me. heck is this thing? Zoltar Speaks. Remember the movie Big? Yeah. Bye, Zoltar. You're the man. There's my walking stick, buddy. Keep walking. I'd like to remind you guys that AIMExpo is coming up in September. Columbus, Ohio this year. Last year it was in Las Vegas. This year it's in Columbus. Yeah, we're gonna do another meet and greet. We're gonna hang out. We're gonna party. It's gonna be the Kleb and I. Maybe we'll try to get some other vloggers out there, but mark your calendars, man. That's coming up. Go to AIMExpo.com. I have a coupon code for you if you guys want to purchase a ticket. Sub D19. I'll make a bigger video discussing all that once I get all the details finalized regarding the meet and greet and the times and stuff like that. But yeah, mark your calendars. We're headed to Columbus and we want to ride with you. He's gonna run it. Of course he did. You know what's funny? And I was thinking about this the other day when I was editing the last video. Alex is colorblind. Maybe he doesn't realize these lights are red or green or yellow. I don't know. How does that work, right? Oh, Alex. Sizzler. Haha, what an interesting video this is going to be. Sizzler! If you beat me to that white line, I'll buy you lunch. He's going to cheat, though. Remember, he gets creative. Oh! What happened, buddy? What happened? You've run a lot of red lights today. You're colorblind. Can you tell the difference between green and red?
I can, but I just don't like to stop. I like to coast on my own. I don't like to use the brakes.
Is red red to you, or is it like a different color?
It's red. I can see that.
What colors are weird to you?
Just like different shades of green and red, but I can see.
So greens and red mess you up. Yeah. Do you find that ironic that green is go and red is stop?
No.
You sure you don't have the shit backwards?
Yeah, sure.
All right. Besides today, when was the last time you were at Sizzler?
More than 10 years ago.
10 years ago. Was it everything that you remembered?
Nah, they changed. It's all about quantity over quantity. Back then it was quality over quantity.
I didn't realize how expensive Sizzler actually was. We just got 2 salad bars for lunch and it came out to $30 minus tip. And we didn't even get Cokes or anything. We just drank water. Yeah, you can sit there and eat until you explode, but I don't know. It's hard to justify. All right, Alex, I'm gonna head home. Good to see you as always. Have a safe trip back to Idaho. Stay safe, have fun. And make sure you hit me up when you come back.
I will.
Sizzler. Yeah, not impressed with Sizzler. All right, fun day riding around with Alex as usual. He's a good dude. I'll definitely miss him while he's away in Idaho, but I have a feeling he won't be gone for long. If you like this video, hit that like button. Likes and comments definitely help this channel. And if you are liking what you're seeing, definitely share it with your friends. Let everybody know. Huge shout out to all the patrons of the channel. You know I love each and every one of you guys. Can't say it enough. You guys are the best. Let's not forget, support the channel partners, Chaparral Moto, law offices of Henry Haddad, Voss Helmets, and definitely LUIMOTO. And I'll see you guys next time. Later.
As a kid, all I used to get was a whole plate of the chopped ham and peas.
Isn't that the stuff that's supposed to be mixed into your salad and you'd eat that for a meal?
Yeah.
I bet your mom was pissed. Paid 15 bucks for you to get in just to eat cubed ham and peas?
Ham and peas.
Ham and peas. Please.